Welcome back to Varnum's Auto, everyone. What we got here today is we got us a brand new quick fuel technology 750 CFM 4-barrel mechanical secondary. It's the driver's side, of course. There's your primary accelerator pump. We'll walk on the other side. And there's your other secondary accelerator pump. Yeah, it's got the electric choke. Tried to get one that didn't have it, but it is what it is. Just open it up. You don't have to have it hooked up. And plus, it's getting warm. It's like somewhere around 70 degrees. I hooked this up yesterday evening. Everybody makes mistakes. It was getting a little dark on me, losing sunlight very quickly. I disconnected the positive wire to the HEI distributor to get gas pumped back up into the primary and secondary bowls. Once it got filled up, I started to realize that the float was adjusted very high. I mean, extremely high. So I started to lowering the floats and thought I had it lowered properly. I let it sit there and run for anywhere between 15-20 minutes. Took it for a spin, just a straight shot down my road there at the end, turned around and come back. Got about right here before I can get it in reverse. It shut off. I fired it back up, and before I can get it here, I had popped it in neutral because it sounded like it was going to shut off again. And once I got it to here, I popped the hood, put it apart, jumped out, and realized by looking in the barrels in my primary, I seen gas leaking inside because my primary side float is still too high. I believe my secondaries are slightly still high, but I don't know if you are able to see, but we're going to try to see. See the gas? Just a little bit. That's the primary. I believe that is a little too high. Secondary, I would say that's still a little too high. So we're going to adjust them, lower the floats a little more. Trying to get y'all set where y'all can be focused in. I'm a one-man show in this whole operation. I'm just excited because I got this brand spanking new Quick Fuel Technology 750 double pumper carburetor. When I had it running yesterday, before I took it for that spin down the road, that Monte Carlo sounded like a totally different engine. But enough talking right now, because we surely ain't getting anything done jibber jabbering. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to start out with a 5/8 wrench. This is a brake adjustable tool because I can't find my wide blade flathead screwdriver. So, can y'all see? A brake adjustable tool. So we're going to use this for the flathead. Like I said, because I can't find the blade, the big blade flathead screwdriver. So what we're going to do, put the wrench on the nut, put the flat in, crack that open, go clockwise, the top head of the float adjustment goes counterclockwise as you spin the nut clockwise. So we're going to go to as low as that point and just taking the devil out the flathead screw port. And do the same thing on the passenger, on the secondary. We're just gonna wait till we get it cracked open on the top head of it. Move off on the other side of the vehicle. Tighten this back up. Crack this loose once more. Adjust this a little bit more. got it literally as low as we can get this bad boy. I'm gonna do the secondary again. Alright. But the process that I'm doing, you guys, is we're gonna go to the lowest setting on these float primary and secondary bowl. Reason is because it was a rookie mistake. I put trust in the hands of Holley brand quick fuel people when they assembled out. You know, that they test these things, make sure they work and function properly and everything. So I just assumed with trust that when they took it off the testing lane, that they had the bowls set properly. That was hogwash. Always check, no matter what they say. It don't matter if they checked it 1,000 times and show you videos they checked it 1,000 times. You always double check behind it. Whoever got it. We just don't want no more gas dumping down our carburetor intake cylinder and it getting into our oil. So we're gonna jack the front end up. We're gonna drain the oil and let it sit for a little bit, air it out. I'm not sure how much gas had leaked into the carburetor and went down into the engine. But we're going to pray to the good Lord and give him thanks that he's going to protect this engine and nothing happens to any of the bearings, rod bearings, or crank bearings. And we're just going to go from there. I'm going to show y'all the oil that I got and the zinc additive that I bought to go with it, because it is a flat tappet cam. And we'll be right back after these moments of a break. Okay, we are back. We got Shell Rotella T4 1540. We got SPT. Don't shoot me, don't crack up on me too bad. I can do what I can do. And Wick is really not in my budget. and plus on top of it, my AutoZone store did not have none of that in stock. So there's your part number for the oil filter. There's your rotella. And here is my NGK spark plug, V-Power, UR4 6630. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need to replace the oil. So for the time being, I'm gonna give y'all a little break and I'm gonna pause the recording to do the oil change. And after I get the oil change started, then we'll come back up top in the engine bay and start doing something with these spark plugs, looking at them and see what we got going on.